Life is full of surprises. We never know when we're just going to be innocently eating our dinner and our fridge stops working, or when your ice maker will decide to pack up and go on an extended vacation. Unfortunately, we can't predict when disaster will strike. The good news: we can restore your Subzero appliances to their former glory. Subzero Repair Houston is your new allies and experts in appliance repair, equipped with every tool imaginable to put a smile back on your face and a spring back in the step of your appliance. From refrigerators to freezers, ice makers to wine coolers and beyond, our diverse experience and vast knowledge speaks for itself. We offer same-day service should an emergency call our name, and we promise to provide the most reasonable quote in the industry with no hidden cost or unnecessary extras. We service the following Houston areas: Bellaire, Conroe, downtown Houston, Houston, Katy, Missouri City, Pasadena, Pearland, River Oaks, Springing, Stafford, Sugar Land, West University, and more. So don't beat around the bush. Get straight to the point and get your Subzero appliance back into action today.